some great pop-up cards. There's a choice of Super Dad and Best Dad. Today we're going to make the Best Dad. And yeah, let's take a look and see how these pop-up Super Dad cards are made. So you will need your printables. So there's the Super Dad or there's a Best Dad. This is the inside. And then there's an outside Super Dad and again Best Dad. I'm going to do the Super Dad today. But like I said, there's a choice, Best Dad or Super Dad. And you pick the ones you want. You will also need some pens, some glue stick and some scissors. The first thing we're going to do is colour in. I'm going to speed this bit of the video up for you, but you know, just take your time and enjoy the colouring. You've done all your colouring. Now it's time to cut out the dotted lines. Now remember, there's a little line here and here, and it runs all the way down the centre. You could have put the fold in first, but I'm going to do it afterwards, just to make note of that line. Okay, so here are the lines. Fold it. Now, we need to cut out the super bit, but be careful. There's two bits you're not allowed to cut, which is here and here. So let's just cut the outside. I'm going to use a different pair of scissors just so that I can get in there. So you've cut it out. What you need to do now is you need to create a nice neat fold here. And these two folds need to go the opposite way. So that way. And you can already see it's going to pop, isn't it? It looks great. Let's get our outer card. You can colour this in your leisure. Fold it in half. I've used a light cardstock, so and run that through the printer just to make it a bit stiffer, but you can use normal paper, especially if you're doing this in a classroom environment. And then we stick this as dead central as possible. So. Let's take a look. The moment of truth. Super Dad. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? I think Dad will really love it. And there you go. As per usual, the printables are down below or in the iCards. If you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But above all, keep watching, keep making, because we'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.